This is Mama Built a Little Nest by Jennifer Ward and illustrated by Steve Jenkins. Copyright 2014, Beach Lane Books, and we appreciate them allowing me to read this online. Please don't sue me. Mama built a little nest inside a sturdy trunk. She used her beak to tap, 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 the perfect place to bunk. You know what kind of birds those are? That's right, woodpecker. What I like about this book as well is that on the side, they have a lot of really interesting bits of knowledge to know about the different birds and the way they make their nests. Mama built a little nest, a cup so wee and snug, with walls of moss and roof of sky and silky cobweb rug. That's a hummingbird nest. And it says hummingbirds make the smallest cup-shaped nest. It uses spider web so the little nest will stretch as the chicks grow. What kind of bird do you think this is? It says, Mama built a little nest. Well, actually, she didn't. She found one that another made, and then she laid me in it. It says, not all birds build nests. The cowbird, the white-eye, and the cuckoo find a nest built by another bird species. They lay their eggs in it, and they fly off, leaving their eggs in the care of the bird who built the nest. Mama built a little nest. My daddy helped out too. They placed my egg upon his feet. That's where I hatched, and I grew. See him right there? See the net? Right there. And you guessed it, these are penguins. It says the emperor penguin uses a living nest, the father penguin. The father uses his beak to roll the mother's egg upon his feet quickly so it doesn't freeze, and carefully so it doesn't break. There it stays buried under his tummy folds for about 60 days, warm and protected. Mama scraped a simple nest upon a craggy ledge. She tucked me safe within her wings until my time to fledge. You know what kind of bird that is? It says certain birds, such as the falcon, create a nest called a scrape on a high cliff edge. The mother and father may scrape away at the ledge, creating a small indentation. Mama built a little nest. She used her beak to sew a woven nest of silky grass, the perfect place to grow. It says weaver birds create very detailed woven nests by sewing and weaving nesting materials together. They pull grasses and fiber over and under and around and through using only their beak and their feet. That's pretty cool. Guess what kind of bird that is? You guessed it. Mama built a little nest by digging out a burrow. It was a hoot, our little home, a safe and feathery burrow. Yep, that's an owl. Mama built a little nest. She gathered twigs that float and placed them on the water to create a cozy boat. Sorry for the bad camera work, folks. Daddy built a little nest. Now don't gross out. With spit. Who would have thought that spit would make the perfect place to sit? It says, the swiftiet makes an edible nest using tube-shaped saliva. That's spit, guys. Ooh. Which hardens in the air. Swiftlet nests are used in bird nest soup, which is a Chinese delicacy. Okay, so you're eating spit soup. Mama built a sealed nest within an old tree's hollow. My daddy left a little hole to pass her food to swallow. That's a hornbill bird. Okay, guess what that is? That's what everybody loves. Says, Mama built a sturdy nest by stacking twigs up high, a breezy house upon a tree where talons blend with sky. Yep, you guessed it, that's an eagle. And did you know that their nests are usually 5 to 6 feet in diameter? That means across, and 2 to 4 feet high. Okay, we have these in the Gladys Porter Zoo. Mama built a little nest entirely out of mud. No feathery down, no soft green plants, just fuddy, muddy crud. It says the male and female flamingos build a mound-shaped nest on the ground using, you guessed it, mud. You have a nest, your very own, a place to rest your head with pillows soft and cozy thoughts. You know what your nest is? That's right. Your nest is called a bed. And that is Mama Built a Nest by Jennifer Ward and illustrated by Steve Jenkins. I'm going to attach a couple of pictures of the nest up in the tree because I think it might have been kind of hard to see. Thanks, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time.